If you really look at it long enough, it resembles a truck. It's got that bed in the back there. Of course, it's been chopped off in terms of roof line, and the nose has been elongated, so it's kind of a comical car there. A truck nonetheless. 115 coming in for Supermax. Before this, we're having some intermittent breaks here, intermission. Checking out the storyline of Thanos. That last year, Jimmy had thought that he lost, but this year they brought him back. Well, that's a nice intermission show for the crowd, a crowd pleaser nonetheless. This is Siri Boone me holding it down here for XO Autosports. Let's whip it out, folks. All the stops. Oh, don't give up on me now. 115 yesterday was giving us a time of 9:047. Today, let's see what he can do. Harapon driving, and he was currently in 8th position for qualifications round 1 Supermax. 9.047 Supermax diesel is what he's going to be running right there for you. Harapon. And he's not that far away from crunching down that numbers into a high 8. Actually, he's only 0.047s away from being high 8. Hey, I got... Hello, Mr. Carlo Van Dam. Like I said, folks, Let's Siri Boone me behind the scenes commentary as well. Also on XO Autosport YouTube channel for this 2019 Thailand records for Soup Up. Fastest in the land in terms of quarter-mile driving. Let's see what they have. Already we have the tires lit up. The light is lit. Green and go. Hopefully goes really straight there. Yes, indeed. Doddly-do. Okay. Halfway through the track there. Squealed out a 7.29. He knocked off 1.7 seconds off his original time of a 9. So that's pretty cool. Really nice. Supermax Diesel 115 was running earlier with a 9.047. Now, second time around on the qualification round day 2, or I should say night 2. Second night around 7.29. Harapon must be happy, jumping for joy. It's all good. You know what I mean? A shout out to all the sponsorship right here. Thank you, of course. Holding it down in the house. Leo, ECU Shop, as well as Revo from Toyota.